Here I have ASUS ROG gaming phone, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the list of all applications, then select the settings. Here you should pick security and lock screen, and now go to fingerprint. Simply by tapping on continue, you can select the security setup, so it will be a backup to your screen lock, so it can be pattern, pin code or password. So let me pick pin code and decide if you would like to require PIN to start device, but I will select the second option, no thanks, tap on continue, and now just enter a PIN code. You just have to remember that it must have at least 4 characters, so let me type 5. Re-enter your PIN code to confirm, and now you have to decide if you would like to see all the notifications once your device is locked, if you would like to hide sensitive notification content, or if you won't see notifications at all once your device is locked. I will pick this option, then tap on done, and now you have to locate your finger on the scanner, so turn around your device, here is the scanner, and just locate your finger here. You have to keep tapping for a short while, as you can see. As you can see, the device is scanning your fingerprint. You have to repeat until it's fully done. Then tap on continue, and you have to adjust it one more time, so keep tapping over here. And that's it. The process has been finished. Tap on done, or if you would like to add another, tap on add another and do exactly the same thing. So actually I will tap on done, one finger is enough, and then you can use fingerprint to unlock your device. Tap on OK if you want to. Okay, and as you can see now, once your device is locked, you can use just fingerprint, just tap over here to unlock it, and now you can smoothly use your device. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.